mpira umekusha, mpira umekufa. We have been reading Karanga, you read now the press statement. KTN? Huh? K24? And then thank you for coming within a very short time. In front of us here, FKF is still registered at Attorney General Chambers. And we never disbanded it. We only respected the FIFA and the election board, which was done by Ken Steve, and agreed to have harmony. But if there's no harmony, we will revive our KFF, and we have members, we have clubs from the sub-branches, from the counties, and run football. And hold our own elections and proceed. We comply with the Sports Act very quickly. We comply with the law very quickly. And we know the government will respect an organization which complies with the law. Sub-branches Kenya mzima ambao iko 84 iko vilavu vinajaa kama maji. And they are not allowed to vote. We want all those clubs to be allowed to vote.